cleaning tips for shiny mirrors. Hello everyone and welcome back to FastKlean. In our cleaning video series, we explore various tips that aim to make your life at home easier. We are happy to share with you another portion of useful recommendations on how to quickly and easily clean the mirrors around your home. Do you know how to clean a mirror? It can often be a difficult thing to do. Stains, scratches, dust, and blurred spots come with time and ruin the perfect look in the mirror. So it's always good to take some time to clean it, get rid of the dust, and return the shine back to it. Mirrors are items that not only serve to reflect our image and help when choosing the best outfit, but they are an important part of the decor. Whether in the living room, bedrooms and bathrooms, they broaden the environment and help convey the illusion that the room is larger than it really is. Because they are fragile materials, they need special care to keep them from looking smudged and dull. And leaving them clean, without lint, scratches or marks is not a simple task. We have prepared a homemade recipe and some essential tips for you that can make your mirrors worthy of praise. There are several specific cleaning materials for glass cleaning, but none of them are really effective or suitable for cleaning mirrors. This is a common mistake when cleaning these items, because at first you think a mirror is nothing more than a glass. Fine, but the mirrored surface requires more than the window wipers found on the market shelves, which leave it looking dull. The best alternative is to resort to the homemade and natural tricks that end up being less aggressive and much more efficient. The mirror cleaning recipe: 335 milliliters 11/2 cups vinegar, 11 milliliters / 1/2 cup water, 8 drops citrus essential oil for your choice. Gather all ingredients in a spray bottle and shake well before use. Spray the solution onto a mirror and wipe with a dry cloth or towel. Tips for taking care of your mirror. Small daily care with your mirror can prevent stains and damage, save you from heavy cleaning, and increase the life of your mirror. Never throw water on your mirror. Throwing water directly onto your mirror can cause the material to spoil, as well as damage the frame. Clean your mirror at least once a week. This increases the durability of your mirror and prevents dust and grease buildup. Be careful with cleaning large mirrors. Avoid passing the broom near the mirror when cleaning the floor to avoid scratches and damage. Beware of substances on your mirror. Clean only with mild soap, mild detergent or alcohol on a soft cloth. Leave the other substances and materials, such as chlorine, ammonia, steel straws, and sponges, well away from your mirror. Even vinegar should be diluted in water to avoid damaging the material. Use specific products for the frame. If it is wood, use can wax it. If it is plastic, a damp cloth is enough. See how simple it is? With these easy tips, you can keep your mirror clean with a simple home recipe. Try it out at home and share with us in the comments how it went. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos with useful cleaning tips. Thank you for watching.